Today I'm going to tell you how you can view the saved password on your Google Chrome. When Google saves the password, it will help you to recover it after. Open Google Chrome. Now click on the three dots at the right corner. Go to Settings. Now click on Autofill and click on Passwords. Below here you can see the websites, the username and the password here. You can simply click on the three dots here in front of it and click on Copy Password. It will require your system user password, so enter the password here. Now the password is copied. For example, check here, Ctrl V, and you can see the password is copied. You can also see the password from here by clicking on I icon. If you want to remove the saved password, again right click on the three dots and click on remove. Your password is deleted. Now again with it, remove. Now the saved password has been removed, so you have to enter every time you log in on that page. Now that's how you view your saved password on Google Chrome. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and comment on the video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more updates.